You describe yourself as a Palestinian Israeli. How difficult and different is it to be born as an Arab in Israel versus being born as an Arab in Palestine?
Huh. Good question. I think like an analogy would be kind of like being, Native American in the United States or African American in the United States. There's always, there's some systematic problems that you always face. And that's how it is like for Arab Israelis. I think it's our responsibility to change our destiny and make it better. But if I were to choose a country to live in the Middle East, I would still choose Israel. So I'm not anti-Israel, but I'm also not pro-Israel. I just want my birthplace country to be better.
The world knows you as Nas Daily. Who actually is this Nas? What's your real name, your ethnicity, homeland, etc.?
My real name is actually No Sire. Nas is actually means people in Arabic. So that's why I studied Nas Daily. I grew up in Israel as a Palestinian, and I moved to the United States for college, graduated, and then I worked for a little bit as a software engineer. And then I decided I'm sick of the office life. I want to make videos and travel the world. And that's how Nas Daily started.
So, what brought you into this video blogging world? Was it properly planned or accidental?
I think it was more accidental. I think video is means to an end. I never really cared about the technology of video. I never really cared about the hardware of video. If you want to get a message across, you can write it down on a piece of paper. You can put it with a pigeon, or you can write it down on the internet, or you can write it down in a newspaper. Those are effective ways, some more than others. But the most effective way is to put that message in a video.
hmm Okay, so how many people and hours does it take for you to make one video from idea to the finished product?
The minimum people it takes to make one video from zero to full published is one. You can make it by yourself, shoot, edit, script, publish, done. But the maximum is unlimited. You can have 10,000 people involved in the creation of the video. For us, we do between 1 to 3. A 1 minute video could take up to 13 hours.
So most of the youngsters these days, they want to be social media stars, just like you. What it would be your word of advice to them? Which social media platform is better for them, etc.?
My advice is, don't do it for the money or the fame. If you really want to be a creator, start creating yesterday. If you haven't done anything yet, then that's a problem. Start creating yesterday. And when it comes to the platform, really all platforms work for certain people. It depends what video you want to make. If you want to make long videos, you should definitely be on YouTube. If you want to make quick videos, definitely be on Facebook. If you want to dance, probably want to go on TikTok. It really depends on what it is that you want to do and choose the right platform. The right platform that worked for me is Facebook.
Okay, how has Corona shutdown changed your life and work routine?
For some people, Corona is the best thing to happen because it's a wake-up call. For many people, it's a terrible thing to happen, right? Objectively, it's a terrible thing, but you can always use it to better your craft, better your company, make it more efficient, better the products. Now you realize the internet is here to stay for ever and ever and ever. And so that has reaffirmed my belief, and also the desire for content has become on the increase. And so that is probably good for you guys and probably good for us too.
Of all the colleges, you chose Harvard. Why Harvard?
It literally was the cheapest university for me. I applied to the 8 Ivy Leagues as an international student because they offer financial aid. I needed the financial aid. Education in the United States is too expensive. And so Harvard said, we'll give you a full scholarship. It would have been more expensive to study at home or any other country, actually. So I guess I got lucky that way.
And then you decided to move to Singapore. What convinced you for this decision, and is it proving to be a good decision for you?
I like Singapore. I'm the biggest fan of Singapore. I really appreciate efficiency. I appreciate efficient governments. I appreciate small countries. And I think Singapore is the world standard on on city design, city-state design, really. And so I feel very lucky to live here.
Let's talk about that t-shirt. The same t-shirt every day.
Look, the t-shirt is simple. It's basically asking, when are you going to die? Average life expectancy is 76 in the United States. 28. 28 out of 76 is 37%. And so it's very, very easy to like just wear the same t-shirt design. I have 20 of this, and it makes life much easier. I don't have to choose what I wear and what I not.
Hmm. Hopefully, I can adopt that idea as well. Let's work to go to the wardrobe. Okay, so lots of few followers are from Pakistan. What would your message be for them?
I wish I could enter. That's one of the 20 countries in the world where it's legally not allowed for me to be inside. And I want to fix that. I want to find a way to fix that and actually go and see it for myself. Because on the internet there's a lot of people from Pakistan that I know follow the videos and watch them and support them. So I'd love to see who are the people that do that online in person.
Thank you so much for your time. It was so good.
मैं हूँ सारा जमान। वॉइस ऑफ अमेरिका दुनिया भर से अहम खबरें और दिलचस्प कंटेंट लेके आता है आपके लिए। तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए उर्दू VOA का YouTube चैनल और बेल आइकॉन दबाना ना भूलिएगा।